Welcome, today I'm showing how to activate your Google Assistant option into a OPPO A57s. First of all, open your Google application, this one. Next up, in the top right corner we got our Google account icon. Tap it and choose Settings. Here go into Google Assistant. And now in this menu scroll down and find General option. And now tap here on the switcher to activate your Google Assistant and confirm operation, tapping turn on one more time. And that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs ups and subscribe to our channel.